Do you know you can copy something on your iPhone and instantly paste it on your Mac or iPad? This powerful Apple ecosystem feature saves time and makes multitasking super smooth. Let's see how it works. So what is Universal Clipboard? This feature is part of Apple's continuity system called Universal Clipboard. It lets you copy text, images, links, and more on one Apple device and paste it on another. Before using this feature, make sure you're signed in with the same Apple ID on all devices. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on all devices. Devices are near each other, and handoff feature is enabled. To enable handoff on iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, tap on General, then tap on AirPlay and Continuity, and on the next page, turn on the toggle for handoff. On the Mac, you have to go to System Settings, General, AirDrop and Handoff, and here enable toggle for allow handoff between this Mac and your iCloud devices. Now here's how to use this feature. Copy text, image or link on your iPhone, move to your Mac or iPad, paste it normally using Command plus V or tap paste. That's it, it works instantly. Remember, the copied content is available for a short time, works best when devices are close together, and make sure both devices are unlocked. That's it. This is one of those hidden Apple features that once you start using, you can't live without. For more iPhone tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure to subscribe to iOS Hacker. Thanks for watching.